Guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on Suncorp Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.suncorp.com.au and hit enter. After the home page of the Suncorp Bank opens up on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On this menu, click on the internet banking option. After you click on the internet banking option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, find the forgot your password button and click on it. Once you click on the forgot your password button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your customer ID here, your first and last name here, your date of birth here, and then click on the next step. Once you click on the next step, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to reset your password on Suncorp Bank. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on Suncorp Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.